Hello guys, I just received my what I ordered yesterday night online. You understand? I use this app called Temu to order this. You get, and this is very cheaper. I price this thing in where I'm staying. It's more costlier, but once I ordered it from Temu, at first I thought it was a scam, but I received it yesterday. You understand? And the reason why I'm doing this video is for me to tell you that Temu is one of the reliable and cheapest app or platform which you can use in shopping online. You understand? So now, if you've watched this video for reach this instant, please like and share this video. One of the things I don't like is for me to be putting my card details once I want to order anything online. You understand? But this platform, this app called Temu, you can actually transfer from your bank account to their own account. You understand? They are using Wema bank account. I'm going to be giving you this tutorial on how to order online. Their things are very much cheaper than usual. If you are using any other app, you understand, to do your shopping online, I will advise you to try this Temu app online. You understand? You must surely like it. There was one item I saw online. I priced it in one other website. They gave me a different price and I priced it in Temu. It's just totally different. You understand? Temu is one of the most cheapest place you can ever is one of the cheapest place you can ever buy something from. So I will recommend you to buy from Temu, and please watch this tutorial video as I'm going to be teaching you how to transfer to their bank account and not with your card details. So stay tuned for the tutorial video. I'm in the app. You understand? So you select any product you want, you select any package you want. So let's take for instance now I'm going to be needing this GoPro. You understand? So I'll click on the GoPro. The GoPro will take you into this place that they wrote add to chat. So you click on add to chat. So I've already added this one to the chat. You get? So I've already added to the chat. Then you go back. You select about 2 or 3 items. But I'm going to be selecting 2 items so that you just complete 30,000. You understand? Because one thing Temu, they have policy in this app. If a product is not up to 30,000, they can always bill it to your location. So I'm going to be adding another one to the chat. So let's add on that to the chat now. Okay, now let's add on that into the chat. Let's add this one now to the chat. Now I've already added this one now to the chat now. So now you click on the chat. Now we are in the chat now. Look at what we order. We order 2 items. So inside these 2 items we order now. Inside these 2 items you order now, you click on last chance to check out. You understand? So you click on it. Now this is what they say: add a new card, Google Play, bank transfer. You understand? We are using bank transfer now, so you click on bank transfer. Then once you click on bank transfer, you press submit order. Now we are submitting the order now. I see payment processing, so this will just take few minutes. So now let's say submit bank this thing. So now this bank this thing, now you check their this thing, what is it called? You check their account details. You check the account details.